Welcome back to another video, everybody. Now, if you remember correctly, a little bit over a year ago, I made a video with my turbocharged Miata in which I timed the 0 to 60 time. Go to a stop, put it in first, floor it all the way up to 60 miles per hour, and see how long it takes. I think we all know what 0 to 60 times are, so I'll stop explaining that. The best time that I got in that car during that day was a 5.4 second 0 to 60 time, which is pretty good for a 200 horsepower, 29-year-old Miata. I think I could definitely improve that time now that it has launch control and flat foot shifting, but that's not what this video is about. In this video, we are going to go ahead and test the supercharged Rally Miata's 0 to 60 time. This car makes a little less power and weighs a little bit more than the blue car. It is also lifted, not nearly as aerodynamic, and some other stuff. So I want to see what it can get. I'm hoping for a 6 second. And then, since it is an off-road car, a rally car, off-road car, we're gonna take it off-road and see what it can get in terms of 0 to 60 time off-road. For those of you who don't know, this is a Jackson Racing supercharged Miata. It's running on a Mega Squirt 2, 8 PSI at redline, nothing crazy, not a lot of power, makes like 170 wheel. Now, a couple nice things about this car. Boost kicks in really early, obviously, because it's a supercharged car. The clutch is really awesome and really easy, so it's really easy to shift quickly. And because of the bigger tires that are on it, the big off-road tires, it actually hits 60 miles per hour in second gear versus normal Miatas hit 60 miles per hour in third gear. So I only have to shift once, first gear to second gear. Now, I don't exactly have a place anymore to test 0 to 60 times. What I actually did is I went onto Google Maps, I turned on satellite mode, and I found what appears to be a bunch of trails going through a little forest. I don't know what's actually there. It's like half an hour away, so I'm gonna drive there. Hopefully I can find a straight road to do the off-road 0 to 60 time. And while I'm out there in the middle of the corn country, I can hopefully find a road to do normal 0 to 60 time. Do it on safe roads, kids, not public roads. And begin the classic automotive vlogger travel scene now. So it turns out Google Maps isn't really that updated. I got to the place that I thought had a bunch of trails and stuff, and there was nothing there. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find another place. Well, this looks like a pretty good spot. There is going to be 0 traction. 3, 2, 1, go! Spun first, second, and third. Hello. 3, 2, 1, go! Pavement, here we go, wheel hop, I don't know what's gonna happen. 3, 2. I'm gonna try not to dump the clutch this time. It started spinning. The moment it started spinning, I let off, but I let off too much. that very beginning was the clutch slipping.
Well, it was smoother. But
Might have been, yeah. Okay. No, that was
nail. Gone.
Hop on in. So yeah, those were the 0 to 60 runs. Now I want to start off with a disclaimer. Those results aren't super accurate. I got the times for each run by looking through the footage, starting a timer when I launched the car, and stopping the timer when I said 60. If you're wondering why I yelled 60 when the speedometer really said 55, it's because the speedometer on the Rally Miata is off because of the large tires. So 55 miles per hour on the speedometer is 60 miles per hour in real life. The results were pretty interesting, I will say. The best run on pavement was a 6.44 seconds. The best run on dirt, on gravel, should I say, was a 9.03 seconds. What I've learned from this experience is that for this car, traction is key. I thought that a launch with just a little bit of wheel spin would be ideal because you keep the revs up, you stay in boost, and you don't bog down, and you go. But I was wrong. The 6.44 second run was the perfect launch because I didn't spin the wheels at all, but I also didn't bog it down. Since this thing is supercharged, it doesn't matter what RPM you launch it at, you're always gonna have boost, so the only important thing is traction. I was also surprised that the fastest run was a run with another person in the car. So, you know, another 150 pounds in the car, but it was still the fastest run. Considering a stock Miata does a 0 to 60 of low 9s, 9.0 to 9.4, 6 seconds is pretty good. Considering we've added so much weight and stuff that wouldn't make a car go faster to this car, the fact that it's 3 seconds faster than a stock Miata, that's pretty good. The other thing that's surprising is that I managed to get a 9-second 0 to 60 on gravel, which yet again is faster than a stock Miata. So this thing goes to 60 faster off-road than a Miata, stock Miata does on-road. That one 9-second run off-road, I just kind of held it in second gear, floored it, just let it bounce off the limiter until I hit an actual speed of 60 miles per hour. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Let me know what you guys think. It's definitely not as fast as the blue car. It was funny because when I recorded the 0 to 60 times, I was like, damn, this thing's probably almost as fast as the blue car. But that's just because I had been driving it for the past couple of days and I get used to a power level really, really quickly. So like, I thought it was fast. The moment I got back into the blue Miata, I was like, oh, no way. The thing is so much faster. Although to be fair, if Molly the blue Miata and the Rally Miata race, and Molly got a really, really bad launch and the Rally Miata got a perfect launch, it'd be a pretty close race. But I think that's going to be it. If you guys have any other videos you want to see with the Rally Miata before we tear off the supercharger, let me know. I'll try to make it happen. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos where we're going out and doing stuff instead of just sitting in here and working on cars. I love working on cars, but going out and doing stuff is really fun. And it allows me to save some money. If you did enjoy it, give it a like. If you didn't enjoy it, give it a dislike. Please tell me why. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. I would totally appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. And peace out. Have a great day.